The Kenyan Private Sector Alliance, that's KEPSA, has raised concerns over the government's increased appetite for debt and the impact that new taxes will have on business. The lobby group wants the National Assembly to come up with policies and plans to ensure that the government's key programs such as the Big Four are implemented without burdening Kenyans with tax. This came up during the Speakers Roundtable Conference with KEPSA at the 12th Parliament in Diani, that's in the county of Kwale.
Private sector needs to look at where are we going, what's happening. The Big Four agenda is also a big one. I think allocation there is important. We've got very good intentions, but we've got to make sure that the actions also now follow. And that's what private sector is trying to understand from everywhere to say, fine, are we all on the same page? So that's where we're trying to seek alignment.
We're not collecting enough revenue, we're not generating enough revenue. What do we need to do to increase our revenue collection? We need to increase our tax base, and then we need to get better systems. Can we use technology to collect our taxes better than revenue? How come we're not getting the investments we need? What's the problem with the environment, with the business environment?
The private sector is a critical engine of growth in any country, and that successful businesses drive growth. And we know, as the legislature, create jobs and, of course, pay taxes that finance services in any country. The private sector also provides essential goods and services such as banking, telecommunication,